We're back at the gym. Back at it again.
So, made it to the gym. I'm gonna do a full body workout, and I'm gonna try that machine, the pendulum, that the guy here, Mark, recommended. So, I'm starting off with squats. Focus on the, I guess, the stretch and see what opens up, and go from there. So, full body workout. I already did the cardio. Well, I don't want to call it cardio, but I already did a 15-minute walk. So I feel like cardio. When you say cardio, I feel like it's supposed to be when you get your heart rate up and and you actually getting a good workout. But look at it like that. I try to look at it like that. It's just a walk. Just a nice 15-minute steady pace walk. Anyways, circling around, trying to see what I'm gonna do today. A full body workout. I just go with the flow. So pretty much, I'm gonna start with probably just do some bands, stretch out, and then maybe hit the dumbbells. Maybe we'll do that. Hit the dumbbells. All right. What the heck? Beans.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it.
All right. Go ahead and use dumbbells. I'm gonna start off with 20. Obviously, we're beginners, so start off with 20.
Call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know it's easier to hide than just to lay low.
So bicep curls gonna stay there, and the shoulder press gonna go up 25s.
Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love. You never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'm a piece of the that. They can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
It's crazy. Nice and controlled. Let's get it. 90 on each side.